third chapter that we are going to start is on scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and backward class. Okay. In order to understand Indian society, we need to understand the fact that it is made up of various caste groups, which is a closed group. So in India, we know that there are so many castes. Now remember, caste is different from religion. Caste એટલે તમારી જાતિ અને religion એટલે તમારું ધર્મ. Okay, so you need to remember this. In India society, પહેલેથી જ it has been made up in such a way that there are so many castes in India, right? Commonly we know of Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Okay, these are all the castes that are there in India, and it is a closed group. Closed group એટલે कि let's say if I am not a Brahmin, let's say I am a Kshatriya. So if I want to become a Brahmin, I cannot become. I cannot change the caste I belong to unless and until I marry somebody who is from that caste. Okay, otherwise it's a very, very closed group. You are not allowed, you are not even allowed to marry. Okay, even in Brahmins they have a rule that a higher class Brahmin cannot marry a lower class Brahmin. Okay, so it's a very closed group. Backward classes are social groups which hold different position in the society. So backward class, backward એટલે they are not that developed as other castes are. Okay, they are still little behind. They are still moving towards change. They are still moving towards development. They are still educating themselves, but they are not that advanced, or they are not that much in front as the other castes which are there in the which are there in the society. So these are the backward classes. Okay, and these include scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward classes. Okay, the Dalits are called the scheduled caste. Okay, the people who belong to scheduled caste are called Dalits. The Adivasis are called the scheduled tribe. Tribe એટલે Adivasi, right? So people who are Adivasis fall into scheduled tribe. People who are socially and educationally backward are in other backward classes. Those castes which lack in education, કે જેનું સોસાયટીમાં એટલું કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન નથી, કે સોસાયટીમાં they are very poor or they are very behind, they are not able to develop themselves, they are included in other backward classes. First we are going to talk about is the scheduled caste. These castes are referred as untouchable. Okay, જૂના જમાનામાં they were called as અછૂત, untouchable. You can't touch them. Okay, if you touch them you will become impure. એવું માનવામાં આવતું કે જે લોકો નીચી કાસ્ટમાંથી છે એ લોકોને you can't go to their house to eat food. એ લોકોનું ઘરનું પાણી નહીં પીવાનું, એ લોકોને પાણી બીજી જગ્યાએથી ભરવાનું. Okay, there were very, very bad rules. Okay, forget marrying. Okay, they had many, many bad rules. એ લોકો અગર ભૂલથી અગર ટેમ્પલ વયા જાય, ઓકે, તો એ લોકોને ટેમ્પલમાં મૂર્તિની સામે પૂજા નહીં કરવાની. ઓકે, મંદિર એવી રીતના બનાવેલું હોય કે લેટ્સ સે કે મૂર્તિ અહીંયા છે તો ઓપનિંગ ગેટ અહીંયા હશે જ્યાં તમને મૂર્તિની ફેસ દેખાશે, અને મૂર્તિનો જે ભાગ વાહેનો ભાગ હશે ને એ શેડ્યુલ્ડ કાસ્ટ અને શેડ્યુલ્ડ ટ્રાઇબ માટે હશે, જે લોકોને વાહેથી જવાનું. એ લોકો ગોડનું ફેસ ન જોઈ શકે. ઓકે, દેર વર મેની સ્ટ્રિક્ટ લॉज. અગર એ લોકો એ લॉ બ્રેક કરે તો એ લોકોને પટ્ટીએ મારતા. ઓકે, they were called as untouchables during that time. In Varna system and caste system they are at the bottom of the hierarchy. Bottom of the hierarchy એટલે triangle છે, right? આ triangle ની અંદર સૌથી પહેલા છે બ્રાહ્મણ, પછી છે ક્ષત્રિય, પછી છે વૈશ્ય, અને પછી છે શૂદ્ર. So people who are shudra, અતિ શૂદ્ર, okay, જે વૈષ્ણવ કાસ્ટથી જેટલા પણ નીચે છે, they are all included in scheduled tribe. Their position in the triangle is the lowest. Okay, Gandhiji used to call them Harijan, but after the independence they were called as scheduled caste. So Gandhiji used to call them Harijan. Harijan means Harina Jan. Okay, people of God, and that is how they got recognized in the society. Gandhiji was the one who included them in the movement, who fought for their freedom and everything, including Ambedkar also did lot of work in order to give them rights, in order to make sure that they live properly in the society. Okay, the constitution of India does not use single caste but all the caste who are socially and economically backward. So what are they trying to tell us कि scheduled caste खाली एक particular caste માટે નથી ना, it includes all the caste across India જેના ઉપર બહુ અત્યાચાર થયો હતો. Okay, so all these people are included in scheduled caste.